How to fix not found 404 error on WordPress on Apache. What can you do if you get a 404 error on your WordPress site? Usually this means the htaccess file is missing. The htaccess file is an essential WordPress core file to reconfigure the Apache Web Server specific setting. Let me show you a way how to fix this 404 error if you are running an Apache server. So let's open the browser. We will write on the address bar the domain we will use for the test. The site works. But what if I click on a page or a post? You will get a 404 error access. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now go with the mouse over Settings and click on Permalinks. Please remember what option you have selected. Now select on this page Plain. Go to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now change back to the option you already had. Go to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now let's go to the tab where it was the error. You see now the page. This means the file has been regenerated by WordPress. If this option does not work for you, check the videos in the description. I have explained how to fix the 404 error with FTP, cPanel or Nginx. This is how you fix not found 404 error on WordPress on Apache. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.